In this video, I explain sign convention of work and heat by taking the lots of examples from the human body to our daily life component, means some of the component that we use at home, to the lots of mechanical component. So you will understand the sign convention of work and heat very easily. So first we understand sign convention of the work. So sign convention means when we consider the work and heat positive and when we consider the work and heat negative. Okay, so these things are the very important for studying the further subject of the mechanical engineering. So first, the work done by the system on the surrounding means when we achieve the output is a work. Okay, it is called as the work done by the system, means system give us the work as a output. It is considered as the work done by the systems. So one example is given, the fluid is expand. Okay, that is a cylinder piston arrangement. In this cylinder piston arrangement, the fluid is expand and the piston move outwards due to the fluid pressure. The work is said to be the positives. Okay, so here you see we consider the one system. Okay, that's the outside is the surrounding portions, and when the system is give the work as a output and work is generally denoted as the W, it is considered as the positive work. So here I written that is the positive works. Okay, so generally positive work is given by as the IC engine, means we use the bike and car. Okay, in bike and car we supplied the petrol, diesel or a gas, means we supplied the heat energy because this fuel is combust in the IC engines and they produce some work done. Our tire is rotated, it is called as the work done. So it is called as the positive works. But in a some component, that is the negative work when we supplied the work to the systems. Okay, so now we understand when the work is the negative. Okay, so work output of the system is considered as the positive work, and its example is the IC engines and the turbine. Okay, that give the some work done. Now second is the work is done on the system by the surrounding, means when we supply some work to the system from the surrounding, it is called as the work is done on the system. Now example is the fluid compressors. So generally in a compressors we supplied the mechanical energy. Okay, and due to this mechanical energy piston is move inwards and the work is said to be negative. So inside the cylinder, that is the air is there, and when we compressor is move, means piston is move in upper direction, at that time the air is compressed. Okay, so we supplied some mechanical work to these compressors. Generally compressor is used to fill the air inside our tires. Okay, so on a garage you see the compressor is available. Okay, so in a compressors we supplied the electricity. This electricity is supplied to the motor, and this motor is convert the electrical energy into mechanical energy, and this mechanical energy is supplied to the compressors. So when we supplied the work to the component, it is called as the negative. So here you see this image, that is one system, this is the surrounding, and we supplied the work as an input, that is called as the work input W. So it is considered as the negative work. Okay, and it is written as the work input to the system is considered as the negative. Okay, so at home you see that is the refrigerator is there, means fridge is there. Okay, in the fridge the compressor is available. So in a fridge we supplied the electricity. This electricity is supplied to the motor, and motor is supplied the mechanical energy to the compressors. So in a fridge we supplied the energy, that means we supplied the negative energy. At our home the air conditioning system is available. In the air conditioning system we supplied the electric energy. This electric energy is supplied to motor. Motor is converted electricity into mechanical, then it is supplied to compressor. Means all the components at our homes are consume some energy, means we supplied the input. Okay, at the home we use the pump. Okay, in a pump again there is a motor with the pump is there. So electricity is supplied to the motor. Motor is convert the electrical energy into mechanicals, and then mechanical energy supplied to the pump. That is called as the negative works. Okay, so I hope you can understand it clearly. So when system does the positive work, now here in the image you see that the system is giving the positive work. At the same time surrounding do an equal amount of the negative work. Okay, suppose system is doing positive, then surrounding doing the negative works. Similarly, when surrounding do the positive work, means here you see that we supplied the some work from the surrounding. Okay, at that time the system does an equal amount of the negative work. So total work of the system and surrounding is 0. So W system for W surrounding is equal to 0. Okay, this is also written from that the energy is not created or not destroyed, but it can be transferred from one form to another form. Now at our home we use the fan. In a fan, motor is there. So in a fan we supply electrical energy. This electrical energy go to the motor. Motor convert electrical energy to mechanicals and the blade of the fan is rotated. Okay, so it is called as the negative work. Then we supplied this energy. Now same way that is a windmill is available. Okay, so due to the velocity of the winds, these blades are rotated, and due to this rotation of the blade, so with this blade the generator is connected, and this generator is produce the electricity. That is called as the positive work. In a fan we supply the energy, so it is called as the negative work. So same concept you can understand for the positive and negative. Okay, in a fan we supply energy, that is negative, but this windmill give the energy, that is called as the positive works. Now same way you already studied the Rankine cycle, means the steam power plants. Okay, in a steam power plant that is a various component, that is a pump, boiler, turbine and the condensers. Okay, so you know that in a pump we supplied the work input. So when we supplied the work, it is called as the negative. So here I putting the sign of the minus, it is called as the negative. You know that turbine is give the some work output. So this is the output work from the system is considered as the positive. Okay, so this is the mechanical concept to the pump and turbine. So I hope you can understand it easily. So now before moving ahead, I request to like the video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to engineering thermodynamics and another subject of the mechanical engineering. For engineering thermodynamics, various link is provided in this descriptions. Okay, or from the card means from the I symbol that is provided on the top right screen of your mobiles or a laptop. Now next we understand from the positives and the negative heats. Now sign convention for the heat energy. So heat flow into a system. Heat flow into a system means when we supply heat energy to the system from the surrounding, or heat received by the system, the heat said to be the positives. Now here in this figure you see this is the positive. Okay, this is the one systems. Okay, this is the surroundings. Now here we supplied the heat. Okay, it is written as the positive heat. Okay, but when we supplied the work to the system, it is considered as the negative. Okay, so simple thing is that you need to return opposite to the work. Okay, when we supplied the work it is negative, but when we supplied the heat it is considered as the positives. Now at the home we do the cooking. Okay, during the cooking we supply the heat to the food. Okay, it is called as the positive. Okay, in a oven we put the some foods. Okay, and the food is cooked, means we supplied the energy to the food. The food is our system, or a pressure cooker is our systems. Okay, so we supplied this heat energy to this food, that is called as the positive heat. Okay, but when it is cooked and we putting out from the gas, okay, at that time food is reject the heat to the atmosphere, so it is called as the negative heats. Okay, same way you already know about the boiler. Okay, in a boiler we supplied the heat energy, means we do the combustion of the fuel may be wood, coal or anything. Okay, so this called as the heat supplied. Okay, that is the positive. But when the boiler is reject the heat to the atmosphere, it is called as the negative. Okay, so you see that the lots of chimneys are rejecting heat to the atmosphere in industrial area, that is called as the heat rejections. So this is the negative work, because the heat is going to the lost. Okay, now in a bike we supplied the fuels. Okay, the combustion of the fuel is start inside the IC engine, that means that we supplied the heat to the IC engine, it is called as the positive. But on the silencer the heat is reject to the atmosphere, so when we touch the silencer we feeling that it is a hot. Okay, that means the silencer is reject to the atmosphere, rejecting the heat to the atmosphere, it is called as the negative. Okay, so heat flow from the system to the surrounding means we are rejecting heat to the surrounding, we are rejecting heat to the atmosphere. Okay, so the heat says to be negative. So in this here image you see that is the system, this outside is the surrounding, and we rejecting the heat, that is called as the negative heat. Now heat rejected by the system is written as the negative Q. Okay. Now here you see that is what we consider the one bike. Okay. Inside this bike, that is the engine is there. Okay. This is the engine, and this engine is drawn on a sectional view here. Okay. So in an engine we supply the fuels and the air. It's do the combustion. That means when we supply the fuel, its combustion is start, means heat energy is produced. Okay. So when we supply the heat, it is considered as the positive. So Q is the positive heat supplied to the system. Same way we supplied the heat to the food. Okay. Then this heat energy is produced some work done. Okay. This heat energy is produced some work done, and due to this work, our bike is the move from one place to another place. So bike is give some work done. It is considered as the positive work. Okay. Now in a silencer, heat is rejected to the atmosphere. Okay, so when we reject the heat to the atmosphere, our heat energy is going to the lost. Okay, so it is a waste of energy. So when the heat energy is going to waste, or heat is rejected from the system or to the surroundings, it is considered as the Q is negative. Okay, so here you can understand it clearly. Now in a steam power plant, for the work we consider pump and turbines. Now here you see in a steam power plant, boiler is also there. In a boiler, we supplied some fuels. Fuel is start the combustion and heat energy is released. That means we supplied the heat. It is considered as the positive. Okay. So here you see this is the positive sign is that when we supplied the heat to the boiler, that is the in arrow here you see. And in a condenser, condenser is reject the heat to the atmosphere. Okay. So condenser is rejecting heat to the atmosphere. So that is considered as the negative. Okay. At our home, we use the AC. Okay, in a AC, that is a two heat exchanger. One is the condenser and another is the evaporator. So we feed the evaporator inside. So what the evaporator is doing? Evaporator is absorb the heat from the room. Okay, and our room is going to cool. Means evaporator is absorb the heat. Means it is the positive. But condenser, that is fitted outside or installed outside to the room. They are rejecting heat to the atmosphere. It is called as the negative heat interactions. So I hope you can clearly understand it. Okay. If you learn something, then like the video, subscribe my channels, and don't forget to share with your friends.